My name is Josh Hayes, and I'm 26. It's fun. The best thing about basketball is that I have no best.
Hi, my name is Hannah.
And I'm Anna.
I really like basketball because I really like watching and seeing people play the sport. And now I get to play the sport as well, even though I'm in a wheelchair, and it's really fun for me to come here.
Yeah, I love volunteering with the program. I like seeing participants like Hannah getting to do the sports that they want to be able to play, and playing myself is super fun. Yeah, I like being able to kind of coach them and see them from the start to kind of where they are now and the potential that they have to do a lot more. So it's really, really great.
My name's Olivia, and I played basketball for 4 years. I like wheelchair basketball because hanging out with friends and have fun.
I like coaching wheelchair basketball, especially the Tuesday night one, because it's nice to get on the same level as the kids and teach them how to play basketball.